Alright, Bombo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Hi guys, welcome back again. In this video I'll be showing you how I made my African print pillowcase with satin. I also made satin lined bonnet, so please check it out. I have listed all the materials that I used in the description box below. Using another pillowcase I already had, I cut the back piece of the pillowcase and set it aside. Then I measured and cut the front part of the pillowcase from my satin fabric. I then measured and cut the two pieces of African print fabric for the top part that I will attach to the ends of the satin fabric to make it the same size as the back piece.
One time never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time.
I then pinned them together and sewed them together and cut the raw edges using my pinking shears. I also hemmed the one edge that would form the opening of the pillowcase.
Original Batman. One time. He's butty, baby. Vicus, mix and mix it. Yeah, no. Lega.
Bombo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. He's butty, baby. Lega.
For the back piece, I had to insert that layer piece of fabric that forms the envelope of the pillowcase.
One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, go low. Man a tell him, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down.
Then I laid the two pieces on top of each other and sewed along the edges.
Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down.
The last step was to turn it inside out. After a bit of pressing, it was done.
It's fake heels.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's butty, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go